If you're seeing the Telegram error saying phone code invalid, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This usually happens when the code you entered doesn't match the one Telegram sent, when the code has expired, or when the login code was sent to another device instead of your phone. The good news is that this is usually very easy to solve, and I'll walk you through the fastest ways to get back into your account. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, double check the number you're using. This sounds simple, but it's one of the most common reasons for the phone code invalid error. Make sure your country code is correct, and make sure the phone number matches the active Telegram account exactly. Even one missing digit, an extra space, or the wrong country code can cause Telegram to reject the login code. So before you try anything else, carefully re-enter your number and confirm that everything is correct. If the number is right and you're still getting the same message, the next best option is to use QR code login instead of SMS. This is often the easiest workaround because it bypasses the text code completely. To do that, open Telegram on your phone, go to Settings, then tap Devices and choose Link Desktop Device. After that, go to Telegram on your PC and scan the QR code that appears on the screen. Once you scan it, you can log in without needing to type in an SMS code at all. This is especially useful if your text code keeps failing or if Telegram is sending the code to a device you're not checking. Another thing to look for is an active session. Sometimes, Telegram sends the login code to another device that is already signed in, like your phone or tablet. If that happens, check the notifications on those devices because the code may already be there waiting for you. You can also go back to your PC and look for the option to send the code via SMS if Telegram gives you that choice. If the code arrived on another device, use that code immediately and enter it carefully. Make sure not to mix up similar characters and type it as soon as possible before it expires. If the code has expired, that can also trigger the phone code invalid error. In that case, wait for the countdown timer to finish completely, then request a fresh code. Once you get the new code, enter it right away without delays, because Telegram login codes are time sensitive. If you wait too long or try to reuse an old code, Telegram will usually reject it. So the key is to always use the newest code and type it in immediately. If you've gone through all of these steps and you're still stuck, repeat the process one more time slowly. Check the phone number, try QR code login, look for the code on any active device, and make sure you're using a fresh code that hasn't expired. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem quickly. So to recap, verify your number, use QR code login if possible, check any active Telegram session for the code, and wait for a new code if the old one expired. That's the quickest way to fix the Telegram phone code invalid error and get back into your account. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video for more simple fixes and helpful app tips.